In San Benito County right now, a new public health officer wants to ban the sale of tobacco products in local pharmacies and also reduce the amount of related advertising, tobacco advertising in store windows. Action News reporter Jacqueline Mazer has more tonight, live from Salinas.
Dan, not everyone in Hollister supports the idea. In fact, people are split. As it turns out, San Benito County's new public health officer, Dr. Anju Gul, is already ruffling feathers. She started with the health department in early July and since then is pushing to make the sale of tobacco products illegal in local pharmacies. She's also looking to reduce the amount of tobacco-related advertising in any and all store windows.
This is America. We have our rights. I don't smoke, but I wouldn't put that upon somebody else. And that's what it is about living here in the United States and being American is freedom, freedom of choice.
And having the freedom as a small business owner to be able to advertise the products they choose to advertise is also part of it. Plus, Hollister residents say city leaders need to put more faith in their constituents.
I believe in individual rights, and so I think people, if they have all the information, should be able to make whatever choice that they want to make.
Walgreens in Hollister is one local store that would be affected by a pharmacy tobacco ban. In a response, the company released this statement. With about 250,000 retail establishments selling tobacco products in America today, retail pharmacies comprise only 4% of overall tobacco sales. As a result, a retail pharmacy ban on tobacco sales would have little to no significant impact on actually reducing the use of tobacco. Regardless, there are residents who support Dr. Gul's mission. They say the community has to start sending the right message.
I know that everybody will say that they have the right, to have that put out there, but it's just the wrong message. I think we're going off track.
And Gul has said she plans to move the matter forward within the next year. She was, however, unavailable for comment today. Dan, Aaron.
All right, thank you very much, Jacqueline. If a ban on tobacco products in pharmacies is ultimately approved, the sales tax could also be impacted. In Monterey, the city council says that the city's no smoking ban on Fisherman's Wharf is working so far. They put up new signs to alert visitors about the ban. They also said that using garbage cans on the wharf, they're using garbage cans on the wharf to dispose of cigarettes, and they are not finding them in the ocean.